Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we've cut off a piece of Tiger, that's the Alpha 5 air intake duct that goes from the cylinder number 3 down to the airbox. They're round. This is one of Kent's tools for making it into a square to go onto your carb airbox. That's going to demonstrate. One of the fun things you get to do with an airplane, you get to bang on it with a hammer. Now you can do this with a piece of 2x4 in your hands, as I did it for years until I discovered Ken's tool and his stuff. Makes it a lot easier going that way. Okay. Yeah, and now you get a square ductwork. So there you go. That's how you do it. Again, a piece of 2x4 that you can stick in there to bend it by hand versus the original round end. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.